Hey guys, I'm showing you this Ace Magic S1 mini PC. This is an Intel 12 Gen Alder Lake-N95 up to 3.40 GHz with a 15W TDP mini computer, 16 GB DDR4, 512 gig PCIe SSD mini PC. So this mini PC can be used as a mini desktop computer which supports a 4K Wi-Fi Bluetooth for a business and the home office. So this is the unboxing, comes in a really nice gift box and you can see all the accessories here that comes with it. So this is all. So this comes with this the mini PC itself. You can see with a very small size with all these powerful features. So let me just remove all this protect covering first. So this is the whole PC and this is a really nice small factor with a one palm design. This is a magnetic stand that I will show you a little later on. And now I can just show you like all the features and the size. So this is the adapter, so that goes with this mini PC. So this power thing here, two HDMI, two LAN, there are two USB 2, two USB 3.2, and then this also have this manual that describes all the stuff. So everything is pretty straightforward if you want to use, and this is a Wi-Fi 5 with a Bluetooth 4.2, and this have a as 2 HDMI 2.0. And as I show like this stand, you can see like it goes like a magnetic stand. So this very cool feature, like the magnetic stand just stick on its own and you can just make it stand, it will not fall, and it's pretty nice, like it's handy and stuff. So this HDMI cable comes with this, and as I was mentioning, there are 2x HDMI 2.0 and there's a dual LAN. So this HDMI goes in this. So I set this up now, as you can see, with this USB thing. So I put in the power. This will get started now. So this is the power button on the top. So yeah, you can see this LED which is really like bright and breathing. I will show like this setup later on. And also like this is a LCD screen that you can modify based on your own theme, photo or anything. So I just connected this monitor with this mini PC with the HDMI, and you can see this started with the Windows 11. So I just get it started with some small stuff. This is the LAN cable here, and I said this is a dual LAN. So I'm just putting this LAN and connected it through the LAN. These are the features of this. As I mentioned, 16 gig 512 GB SSD. This is the LED screen setup. You can choose all the different types of designs or the breathing and anything, and you can see the changes here. So this is a pretty cool feature with this mini PC. This will give you the gaming feel, and also you can just choose the breathing stuff. So this tool is available on the desktop when you start this PC, and also you can change the time or the brightness or anything you want. The next thing is this LCD screen on the top. So there is another utility here. You can choose all the themes and the stuff, and then this show up all the different features or the things in front of you. So this one is actually a nice mini PC, a powerful mini PC with all normal work, and then you can see all the different thing on the LCD screen. This is a really nice thing that you can see all your fan and the other cool feature is that it's a magnetic side. You can just take this out and you can change or upgrade your RAM or the hard disk or anything, and you can just put it back and this is done. So very cool mini PC for your use.